episode of Fozzie Paranormal. Tonight we are at Easton Cemetery. Easton. Right, Easton Cemetery. Chad has some family members here, so we're gonna walk around, we're gonna see what we can find, and we're bringing you with us. My handle's loose. Nice and tight. Ooh, tonight's the night I wish I'd had some gloves.
Yeah, I know, same here.
Turn this up. I'm going to apologize in advance for the wind noises. It's a little bit windy out here. We're probably running about 26 degrees maybe. Probably make this a quicker one due to the cold and the wind. Well, this is our first time here. Well, my first time here. Holy cow, dude, it's cold. A lot of military people in here. Thank you guys for your service and all you've done for us. That would make a beautiful Christmas tree. It's almost perfectly proportioned. I gotta tuck my hand in my sleeve. I think when we do the spirit box tonight, we're going to do it in the truck. Looks like there's a memorial wall over here. I have got to do something with my hands. There we go. Oh, it's not a memorial wall, it's a mausoleum.
be freshly new because there's only 3 people here.
Hey, those look pretty new.
2018. Back here.
Yeah, there's. Oh, I'm blurry.
Nothing over here.
I just went blurry.
Go back there, if like something touched me on the shoulder.
Really?
Yeah. Back when we're walking across the grave site.
I see more and more places building these now. These here in Michigan. I know they're super popular in Florida because the water table's so high you can't really dig a grave.
Maybe like that in New Orleans too. But they're not.
We might have to shoot this in sections. Get a little bit, get the truck, warm up, get out, shoot some more. I cannot feel my fingertips. Yep, fresh site right there. Huh.
Another one too right there.
You think they were exhumed, or do you think that could have been, because there's no headstone here.
This one's sunk.
Looks like somebody started digging this one up,
Mm-hmm.
because they don't dig these with shovels.
Nope, this is 2020.
Is that the headstone for this one?
Yep. 2020. So this is just buried and just not topped off.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
So like I heard somebody say, hey, coming from over here. Huh. I'm actually using the light bulb from my flashlight to warm my fingers back up.
This is house across the street that said something.
Oh, it come from the back. At least it sounded like it came from the back. Few old headstones in here. 1948. The year I was born, 78. A lot of new ones, mostly new ones though. Dude, I don't know if it's the wind blowing through trees or something, but I keep hearing things. Like I just heard a whistle. I hear what sounds like a wind chime, but I don't see any wind chimes. I see a birdhouse. There's a birdhouse. Let's see if we can find a wind chime. Oh, there's a couple right there. Say you see smoke? Oh. Video. I want to leave as much dead space as possible for EVPs. Maybe dead space wasn't the right word to use. Yeah, but I want to do it inside the truck. Getting cold? Get out of this cold for a minute. We're going to do a spirit box inside the truck. That can get out of this wind. It's crazy windy. So I'm going to cut this until I get set up. Be right back. Alright, we got back in the truck. Finally got warm. We're going to do that. Turn the radio down here. We're going to go ahead and do the spirit box. Now, I use the Necrophonic app. It works just like a normal spirit box, but it takes out all the sound of the white noise. And the theory behind it is that the spirits can manipulate the sounds that are in the sound bank to create words and communicate with us. I found very good success with using it so far, so I'm going to go ahead and start it now. Alright, just a second. While I'm messing with this, getting it set up, I'd like to thank all the new people that has come to our channel, who has watched our videos. Please like, share, subscribe, help us grow the channel. Be much appreciated. Hopefully soon I'll get some merch for the merch store. With Christmas and everything coming right now, it's just not going to happen yet this year.
Powering off.
Oh, are you kidding? It's weird.
Powering on.
Had a brand new fully charged battery in here. And you seen the little 10-minute, 11-minute video we just did. And battery died. I went to start the camera back up, and it was just dead. All right, I need to. I got too many electronics in here. Well, must be hooked to this iPad. Probably. We'll shut it off.
Ready to pair.
There we go. That's what it was. It's connected to that other iPad. Now that it is so cold and so windy outside, we probably won't do much more out there. I'm going to do the spirit box right here and decide what to do afterwards, I guess. Chad's trying to figure out his new flash on his camera. Figured out?
Necrophonic.
God, I hope that's not too loud. Alright, I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. Who's here with us tonight? Who killed my battery? What was that? It's like I said George.
It's like I said Chad.
Me, Brian.
This is my uncle.
Does anybody want to talk to us? Is he Chad?
Keep saying Chad.
Maybe your uncle's trying to reach out to you. What's his name?
Jimmy.
Jimmy? What? Is there a Jimmy here? I just heard Jim. Oh my God.
What did he play?
Did you get the chills? I did. Crap.
It's funny as I got touched out there right here.
Yeah, this right. Well, my left shoulder. It still kind of tingles. Did somebody affect my battery? Can we try to come through one at a time? For all the vets that are buried here, I want to say thank you for all you've done for us. For your service.
Come.
I said you come. I think he's trying to say something in pieces.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say that again? Hello?
Because I got my uncle that's here and my great grandma that's here.
What was your great grandma's name?
I was news by Grandma Kay.
Grandma Kay?
Yeah.
I'm hearing a lot of new sounds on here I haven't heard, and I've used this thing a lot. Just call us an ass.
I think it's like Bernard or something like that.
Who are we talking with? Who are we talking with?
I've heard my name like a dozen times now.
I've heard mine a couple. Hi. Yeah, there's snow everywhere. We're getting some really weird.
It's almost the whole sentence. This side.
That was your phone, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
that's email. Who's out there tonight? Like that was another noise I've never heard.
Yeah.
Down. It's funny because my uncle's very down in there.
Should we drive closer to his son and see what...
Well, it's right down by the road.
Oh, we don't want to park down there.
Brian.
Let me show you guys how dark it is.
Brian. What are you trying to tell us?
I can't wait to play this back. I heard something say in prison.
They said Nick earlier. The brother's name. He's in prison.
You want to ask it anything else?
Yeah.
Do you want to ask us something?
Hey, hey, hey.
What?
Car pulling up.
It's not a cop car.
It's hauling ass.
Guys, we have company.
It's flying.
Powering off.
I don't know who'd be out here in this time of night. So, we're going to hit the road. Please like, share, subscribe. Help us grow our channel. I'd like to thank all the new people that have come,
Going back and back.
who have come to watch the videos. I appreciate everybody, from Chad to myself. Thank you for joining Fozzie Paranormal.
Turning around.
Yeah, we gotta go. We'll see you later.